So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being here with us today and spending 5 hours of your precious time. I'll try to sum up this evening in a few minutes, so please bear with me. We are in the era of moderate growth, growing by just 9% in 2024. But we are optimistic about the future, especially with the recent union budget's boost of 80,000 to 1 lakh crore for consumption. And we estimate 11% growth for 2025 in ADEX. Ashish Fairwani of Ernst & Young further confirmed our belief that India is on the right track to achieve this growth. But he did caution on the risk of low unemployment rates and reduced spending by government agencies and the threat of global wars. Harit Nagpal, our chief guest, is quite confident about the TV medium, since the main consuming middle class is centered firmly on TV, and he does believe that free content on digital is not sustainable. In the session on free TV versus paid TV, what came out was that the content and production is key, and the consumer will always go where the content is good. There's enough and more room for everyone to grow, so definitely it's not one versus the other. With 90 million CTV users in India, as per Google, connected TV is definitely here to stay, as we move from a precision to a predictive era to serve ads in real time. CTV offers a more efficient and a measurable way to do our media planning. Viewability is at the heart of everything and can happen when publishers, platform, and advertisers come together. The session with Meenakshi called out for the need for transparency, ethics, and integrity across all stakeholders, agencies, advertisers, and media agencies. And I guess media agencies do have to have the guts to say no more often. The two sessions on AI drove the point that we can't afford to be afraid of AI and need to experiment and use it ourselves a lot more. At the same time, principles of marketing will not change just because of AI. AI can help improve efficiency of media plans, especially in digital. You can start with outcomes, targeting multiple TGs, and optimizing different elements simultaneously at scale does become easier with AI. Cost of production will go down and pricing will get more dynamic. I think AI is all about scale and speed. But the key to unlocking the power of AI is in giving the right prompt. So we've tried to curate this evening for you with interesting, relevant, and important topics that need discussion in our industry, and we hope you found this useful and inspiring. A big thank you to all our speakers who made fantastic, thought-provoking presentations. Thank you to Zee and Times Network for coming on board as sponsors. And thank you to the rest of the sponsors as well. And enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.